today, and I welcome all of you in the video of 11th Science, unit number 1, some basic concepts of chemistry. Today, we are going to discuss one unit of concentration, molarity, symbolized by capital M. Molarity is the widely used unit in the field of concentration. Number of units are there, and then we are going to learn some units in the 11th standard and some of them are in the 12th standard also. So out of all these units, molarity is most widely used unit. What is molarity? Its definition is in the second point. The number of moles of the solute in 1 liter of solution is called molarity, and its symbol is capital M. Is it? Two most important words. Number of moles in 1 liter. Number of moles in 1 liter. Right? So according to that, we are going to deal with the formula. Molarity, capital M, is equals to the number of moles of solute. Number of moles of solute over volume of solution in liter. Suppose in an example, you are given volume in the ml, milliliter, then you have to convert it in the liter. If liter is there, don't you worry. Then, two examples are over here. First one, 1 molar NaOH, 1 molarity, yes, molar, isn't it? So, here is the spell, molarity, M-O-L-A-R. So, sometimes we pronounce this as a molar also. By which word we are going to pronounce it? By molar. So, keep this thing in mind for 12th standard. That molarity is also called as a molar. Okay. 1 molar NaOH, sodium hydroxide, is equals to the what? What do you mean when I am going to ask you that you are given 1 molar NaOH solution? It means you have 1 mole of sodium hydroxide present in the 1 liter of the solution, in the 1 liter of the water. Am I clear? Second, what do you mean by 0.2 molar NaOH? It means 0.2 mole NaOH present in 1 liter of the solution. It's a time bar question. What do you mean by 0.05 molar NaOH? Yes, can anybody think over it? Is it? Now, let's solve one example. Example 1.7. Question is over here. Calculate molarity, means we have to calculate molarity, so we are going to use this formula. Is it? Of sodium hydroxide in the solution prepared by dissolving, it's 4 gram. Means we are given 4 gram NaOH dissolved in the water to form 250 ml of the solution. See? We are given volume in the ml and we need it in the liter. So our first priority is that convert 250 ml in the liter. Is it? Second, we need number of moles of solute, but we are given the dissolving 4 gram. Means we have to reach up to the mole from gram. Can anybody suggest any kind of formula? Is there any formula running right now in your mind? Okay. So, first of all, for any kind of example, write down answer 1.7 and then write down given. For any example, write down given. Because the data you are given is in the question. Right? Separate it out. Write down separately because you can use this data to calculate the example. Weight of NaOH. NaOH is solute. Yes. Because it is going to be dissolved and water will act as a solvent. The amount less is said to be solute, right? And whose amount is more, large, high is said to be solvent. Solute and solvent together form solution. Is it? Our chapter number second solution in the 12th standard, right? Okay. So weight of NaOH is equals to the 4 gram. Molar mass of sodium hydroxide is 40 gram. Yes, we have calculated. We have one video. I think video number 4 is there to calculate the molar mass. How can you calculate? Over here, sodium 23, oxygen 16, and hydrogen 1. Make a total. You got answer 40. And volume of solution is solution. Is it? Don't you write in a shortcut way? Is it? 250 ml. Now let me solve step by step. First of all, I need mole. Is it? What is the formula of mole? Weight over molecular weight. Weight over molecular weight is the formula to find out the mole, because we need mole. Mole is equals to what? What is the shortcut method? Mole is equals to weight over molecular weight. So mole of NaOH is equals to weight of NaOH over molecular mass of NaOH, sodium hydroxide. What is the weight we are given? 4 gram. What is the molecular mass? 40 gram. Is it? So let me substitute both the values. 4 over 40. Okay. 4 tens are 40. Is it? 1 by 10. What does meaning of this one? Over here 1, here it is 10, 1 by 10. 1 by 10 means what? Means 0.1 mole. Is it? So the mole is 0.1, but we are given solution in the ml, 250 ml, but 1000 ml is equals to the 1 liter, and 250 ml is equals to the what? A question mark. So cross multiplication is there. Okay. 250 ml is going to be multiplied by 1 liter over we have 1000 ml. So here it is 1000 ml. Next step, that over here we have a 0 and 0. So we are going to cancel out both this, as well as we have the common unit in numerator and denominator. So both are also going to be cancelled out. Means whatever answer we are going to obtain having unit liter, which we are going to use in our formula. Moles we have already obtained. Okay, next 25 4s are 100. Is it? 25 4s are 100. 1 by 4, it means 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means 0.25. Is it? 0.25. So 0.25 liter, because 25 4s are, or 25 divided by 100 will also give you 0.25 liter. Now we have mole and we have liter. Write down the formula. Molarity M is equals to number of moles of solute over volume of solution in liter. Isn't it? So the number of moles 0.1. Volume of solution is liter. 0.25. Is it? Now make a division of both these. 0.1 having unit mole, 0.25 having unit liter. So ultimately what we got as a unit? Mole liter inverse, because denominator is going to become a numerator with the inverse sign, and the answer is 0.4. Is it? 0.4. Now we can also write 0.4 capital M, molarity. So this is all about the example 1.7. If you have any doubt, please rewind the whole video and watch carefully. If further you have doubt, please contact me immediately. But here it is. Practice work. Sir, we have already calculated the example of sodium hydroxide. Yes. See, all are the molar masses. Is it? Which I have given to you. And you know very well all this. So what you are going to do for the next 4 examples, right? Make example using hydrochloric acid HCl, using this one HCl, you have to use this one, and make a question that calculate molarity of hydrochloric acid in the solution prepared by dissolving its 4 gram in enough water. See here, hydrochloric acid we all know that hydrogen chloride is gas. When it is dissolved in water is said to be hydrochloric acid and it is liquid. But we can also weigh out in the gram, right? So don't you worry. Don't think so deeply. Just make a practice to convert ml into liter, as well as to write down the formula of the molarity. How can you calculate moles, etc. Make a practice only. Okay, as well as set your hand on the calculator, right? Here it is. Calculate molarity of what you are going to change. Yes, I am putting underline over there, sodium hydroxide. Then nothing is there. Okay, weight of over here, hydrochloric acid, molar mass of hydrochloric acid. Here it is 36.5. Is it? Then here it is hydrochloric acid, hydrochloric acid, hydrochloric acid. Is it? Here the weight of what? Hydrochloric acid. Then okay, where you are going to? Yes, right. Okay, you got your answer. Next, nitric acid. Is it? Next, sulfuric acid. Last and least, potassium hydroxide. Is it? So today you do the practice of all these 4 examples. Thank you very much.